I have a train sitting up here in Tullahoma, Tennessee. There's a train back there. We're gonna try to get there as fast as we can. Excuse the bumps there. Here's a train sitting here. Also, guys, I might be rail fanning with Jonas today. I'm not 100% sure, but I might be rail fanning with Jonas. He's the Southern Appalachian rail fanner. Go check out his channel. Go subscribe to him. That's his name, Southern Appalachian Cola Rail Fanner. Train! Another train coming! Alright, guys. I saw the train light. Sorry guys, can't really see too good. It's the windshield. I saw the lights. I don't know where they went now. Right here's a bandit crossing, by the way. That's train tracks. There it is. There's on the other side. Oh, there's 3 trains. There it is right there. Oh, those are the train, huh? Oh, we get a good video of this. Oh, it's a single corner. Look at this. There's a CSX in front of us, too. Look at this. Wow, this is so cool. This guy right there. The 3-quarter right here. There's the end. There goes the end. There goes the end. I'm gonna get back in real quick. He ain't gonna pull up the crossing.
Speaking of that guy there, look. No.
Because if they sit here forever, I'll have to leave.
Oh, yeah, true, yeah. 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 What is this? I wonder when this train's gonna move. I wonder. Here, cool, look at Brown Street's going off. Right, I'm about to leave for soon, but this is CSX 5295, CSX 3259, and CSX 5442. CSX Intermodal. Alright, well. I'm not going to be able to see a train today, that means, because these two just came by. Here's a close view of the crossing as a whole. Let me get an overview of this. Let's view the numbers real quickly. If you guys want to see the numbers, 5295. There we go, and 2. I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Peace.